Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we will be reading Up in the Air, so let's get started. When you stand at your window and look down and around, you will see many things moving on the ground. Bugs, bullfrogs, babies, buses, cars, cats, and a silly clown. Everywhere you look, you'll see something rushing up and down. But if you are bored of looking down, lift your head up and look around. You will find up in the air as many things are to be found. There are things that glide, there are things that fly, there are things that hover, and things that zoom by. Birds of all shapes and sizes flap their ways across the sky. Eagles, crows, sparrows, robins, and the mountain's black eye. Be aware of flying things that sting like mosquitoes and honeybees. Enjoy the moths and butterflies that float by softly like the breeze. Scrunch your eyes and look really close. When you see something above hover, if it's super tiny, it's a hummingbird. If it's noisy and huge, a helicopter. If you feel left out of all that fun, don't cry and don't complain. Just grow up to be a pilot and you can fly an airplane. You can zoom around the world wherever you want. And just in case you feel lonesome, take your folks along too. But if you want to go up much higher than that, you can become an astronaut and get into a spacecraft. You could go to the moon, to Jupiter, Venus, and Mars, and maybe someday in a space rocket you could reach for the stars. But if you want to fly up high right now and right here, try airships or hot air balloons to float from here to there. But wait, there are so much more. If you want to be up in the air, gliding and parasailing are sports for those who dare. And when you are tired and dizzy from all the zooming around, you could still be up in the air from right here on the ground. Get your kite, get your balloon, and fly it into the sky. Watch it bob and dive and dance against the clouds that float by. So when you stand at your window, look up and down and all around. There are many, many things up in the air just as there are on the ground. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.